Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley. Don't pop it like Miley.
If I die young, bury me inside, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a. If I die young, bury me inside, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn.
I got him on this one, homie. Yeah. Oh my God, what's this crazy life of mine? Swear these niggas tryna kill me, but I know that I'll be fine. If you send me to the dark, give this world a light to shine. Cause there's gon' be a lot of people mad if and my mama raised 2 kids all on her own. I was jealous of the kids that had 2 parents in their home. My pops left me for the sky, my pop left me for the sky. Now I'm steady popping bottles like this message is inside them. I'm just living low key, something sorta like an OG. Now everybody seems to know me. Started way back in 03 when I started to rap and smoke weed. Tupac S and double OP, JAY hyphen to the Z. They taught me to write what I see. New York taught me to be real. Out here it's kill or get killed, so I gotta make that change and just tell them how I feel. And I'm feeling like I lived so many lifetimes already. And the funny part is, man, I just begun. So if I die